Have you ever considered the importance of understanding your own core values and how self-reflection can unlock this understanding? Today, we're delving deep into the realm of self-reflection and core values, two concepts that are tightly intertwined in the tapestry of our identity. Self-reflection, a process of introspection and self-awareness, allows us to examine our thoughts, emotions, and actions in a meaningful way. It's a tool that can help us navigate through the complexities of our lives with a clearer sense of purpose and direction. On the other hand, our core values are the fundamental beliefs that guide our actions and decisions. They are the compass that steers us through life, helping us discern right from wrong and shaping our character and identity. One might wonder, how are self-reflection and core values interconnected? Well, self-reflection is the key that unlocks our understanding of these core values. By taking time to reflect on our experiences, thoughts, and feelings, we can identify the values that underpin our motivations and behaviors. Imagine self-reflection as a mirror that doesn't just reflect our physical selves, but our inner selves too. It's through this mirror that we can see, understand, and appreciate our core values. We can understand why we react the way we do in certain situations, why some things matter more to us than others, and how our values influence our relationships and interactions with the world around us. Understanding our core values through self-reflection is crucial because these values serve as a guiding principle in our lives. They help us make decisions that align with our authentic selves and lead us towards fulfillment and satisfaction. They allow us to live in accordance with our true nature, bringing us closer to achieving our personal goals and aspirations. But remember, self-reflection isn't a process of self-judgment. It's not about criticizing ourselves or dwelling on our faults and failures. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of who we are and using this understanding to grow and improve. As we journey forward, remember, self-reflection isn't about self-judgment, but rather, it's about self-understanding and growth. Now, you may be wondering, how do I embark on this journey of self-reflection? The first step is to set aside some quiet time. This is your moment, your sanctuary. It can be early in the morning when the world is still asleep, or late at night when the hustle and bustle has died down. It could be during a quiet lunch break or a peaceful walk in the park. The key is to find a time and place where you can be alone with your thoughts, free from distractions. Next, equip yourself with introspective questions. These are the catalysts that will ignite your self-reflection. Questions such as, what brings me joy? What frustrates me? When do I feel most alive? Or what fears hold me back? By asking yourself these questions, you can start to identify patterns and behaviors that shape your life. Once you've armed yourself with these questions, it's time to dive in. Be honest with yourself. There's no need for pretense or self-deception. This is about getting to know the real you, the person beneath the surface. As you reflect, you may experience a range of emotions. Embrace them. They are part of the journey. Lastly, write down your thoughts and feelings. This doesn't have to be a literary masterpiece, but a candid record of your self-reflection. Writing not only helps to solidify your thoughts, but it also allows you to revisit your insights and see how far you've come. It becomes a tangible evidence of your self-discovery journey. And here's a bonus tip: practice patience. Self-reflection is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. It's like peeling an onion, layer by layer, each revealing a deeper understanding of oneself. So take your time. There's no rush. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to engage in self-reflection. It's a personal journey that's unique to everyone. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you towards a deeper understanding of your core values. Once you've begun the process of self-reflection, how then do you uncover your core values? This is a question that merits thoughtful consideration. Unearthing your core values is not just about listing what you think your values should be. It's about delving deep, analyzing patterns in your thoughts and behaviors, and aligning these with what truly matters to you. So let's embark on this journey of discovery. Start by observing your thoughts and actions over a period of time. Look for patterns, repeated behaviors, or recurring themes in your thoughts. Are there certain ideals you consistently uphold, or principles you find yourself gravitating towards time and again? These patterns may be signposts pointing towards your core values. Next, consider the times when you felt most fulfilled or content. What was happening then? What were you doing? Who were you with? The answers to these questions can give you clues about what you value most. For instance, if you feel most fulfilled when helping others, it's likely that service or compassion is a core value for you. However, it's not just about the good times. Reflect on the moments of discomfort and conflict. These instances often arise when our actions are not in alignment with our core values. They can serve as powerful indicators of what truly matters to us. Once you've identified potential core values, it's time to define them. What does each value mean to you, specifically? Remember, these definitions are personal. What matters is that they resonate with you and reflect who you are. Finally, align your life with these core values. They should guide your decisions, actions, and even the goals you set for yourself. This alignment is crucial, for it brings about a sense of authenticity and congruence in your life. Remember, this process is not a one-off exercise. As you grow and evolve, your values may shift and change. Keep reflecting, keep defining, and keep aligning. Your core values are the compass that directs your decisions and actions. They define who you are at your very core. Now that we've discussed how to uncover your core values, let's delve into the benefits of understanding them. A clear understanding of your core values can be a powerful tool in life. It's like having a compass that always points you in the right direction. One of the most immediate benefits is increased self-awareness. By knowing your core values, you get a better understanding of who you truly are. It's not about what others expect you to be or what society dictates, but about your own personal truth. And with this enhanced self-awareness, you're better equipped to navigate through life with authenticity and integrity. Another significant benefit of understanding your core values is improved decision-making. Life is full of choices, and sometimes it can be overwhelming to decide which path to take. However, when you're clear about your core values, decision-making becomes less of a burden. Your values serve as a guide, helping you to make choices that align with your beliefs and aspirations. Whether it's about career, relationships, or personal endeavors, your core values can help you make decisions that you can be proud of. Yet another advantage is enhanced personal growth. Your core values are not static, but dynamic. They evolve as you grow and experience life. By understanding your core values, you're in a better position to recognize areas for growth and development. It's like having a personal blueprint for self-improvement. Your core values can help you identify your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and guide you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Moreover, understanding your core values can lead to a more fulfilling life. When your actions and decisions are in harmony with your values, you experience a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. It's about living a life that's true to who you are and what you believe in. Remember, understanding your core values is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of self-discovery and growth. So, keep exploring, keep growing, and most importantly, keep being true to your core values. They are your personal compass, guiding you towards a life of authenticity, fulfillment, and personal growth. So, we've taken a journey through self-reflection and understanding your core values, but what's next? It's time to put that knowledge into action. Don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. The power of self-reflection is immense, and understanding your core values is the first step to living a more authentic, fulfilling life. It's about knowing who you are at your core and what truly matters to you. This journey is unique for everyone. It might be challenging, but remember that growth often comes from discomfort. So embrace the process and trust that it will lead you to a better understanding of yourself and the world around you. And now, it's your turn. Start your own journey of self-reflection. You've got the tools and you've got the knowledge. It's time to take that first step towards a more authentic you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Remember, the journey of self-reflection is a journey worth taking.